Alright guys, just wrapped up this 2023 Ram 2500. Did the 4-inch BDS lift. It's got a 24 by 14 Archon Caesar in the gray finish. Black spikes, had a little bit of contrast there. And a 35 1350 24 Fury. With the Fox 2.0 shocks. This is the radius arm version, so that's going to correct your caster. Also a lot better looking and stronger than your factory one. This kit's also going to come with your drop brackets for your sway bar. With the Fox dual steering stabilizer. Over here you got the drop bracket for your trap bar and your drop pitman arm. We've also added the adjustable trap bar. That's not required, but in our case, since this kit already had a small 3-inch lift with an aftermarket non-adjustable trap bar, we had to add that to make sure that the axle was properly centered. Either way, it's still a good upgrade, but you don't have to have it, but it will help you maintain that perfectly centered front axle. Really good looking truck. That gray on gray, the wheels almost match this paint perfectly. So as far as trimming goes, with this wide of a wheel, there is going to be a good bit of clearancing. So the back of the fender, the pin seam has to be cut here. The mud flap has to be removed. The plastic has to be trimmed. Now the front bumper has to be cut with the front valence. It doesn't have to be cut quite this much. It was previously cut with a smaller setup on it. This kit's also going to come with your transfer case indexing kit. As you can see here, you've got your new transmission cross member. It's going to have a reclocking ring that goes between the transfer case and the transmission. What that's going to do is rotate your transfer case to get a better front driveline angle. Those are usually pretty much standard on anything over 4 inches on these. It's worth mentioning that there are two different versions if you've got the 6-bolt or 8-bolt transfer case. So before you order one, make sure you check to see which one you have. You're going to have the Fox 2.0 shocks in the rear, extended sway bar links, trap bar relocation bracket, and of course your new coil springs for the rear. And it's going to be pretty much it on this one. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.